Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to defend ourselves against ransomware. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to say thank you so much to 3 likes for this note on how to defend against ransomware. How to defend against ransomware. To avoid ransomware and mitigate damage if you are attacked, follow these steps. First, back up your data. The best way to avoid the threat of being locked out of your critical files is to ensure that you always have a backup copies of them, preferably in the cloud and on an external hard drive. This way, if you do get a ransomware infection, you can wipe your computer or device free and reinstall your files from backup. This protects your data and won't you be tempted to reward the malware authors by paying a ransom. Backups won't prevent ransomware, but it can mitigate the risks. Second, secure your backups. Make sure your backup data is not accessible for modification or deletion from the systems where the data resides. Ransomware will look for data backups and encrypt or delete them so they cannot be recovered. So use backup systems that do not allow direct access to backup files. Third, use security software and keep it up to date. Make sure all your computers and devices are protected with comprehensive security software and keep all your software up to date. Make sure you update your devices software early and often, as patches for flaws are typically included in your update. Fourth, practice safe surfing. Be careful where you click. Don't respond to emails and text messages from people you don't know, and only download applications from trusted sources. This is important since malware authors often use social engineering to try to get you install dangerous files. Fifth, only use secure networks. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks since many of them are not secure and cybercriminals can snoop on your internet usage. Instead, consider installing a VPN which provides you a secure connection to the internet no matter where you go. 6. Stay informed. Keep current of the current ransomware threats so that you know what to do, look out for. In the case that you get ransomware infection and have not backup, all your files know that some decryption tools are made available by tech companies to help victims. And lastly, implement a security awareness program. Provide regular security awareness training for every member of your organization so that they can avoid phishing and other social engineering attacks. Conduct regular drills and tests to be sure the training is being observed. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to defend against ransomware. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.